Today, Governor Abbott signed a bill into law which will provide much-needed property tax relief to Texans.
State leaders say taxpayers have been asking for this for years. CBS Austin's Christian Flores reports this was one of Abbott's priorities going into this year's legislative session.
The sounds of Wally's Burger Express during a lunch rush are music to owner Robert Mayfield's ears.
And we get a lot of compliments.
But skyrocketing property taxes in Austin have been a metaphorical record scratch. And the reason it's hard to keep his doors open.
The threat is if that keeps up, we can't stay in business.
Just last year, Mayfield's property taxes shot up 44%. But that may not happen anymore. Today, Governor Greg Abbott signed Senate Bill 2 into law in front of the restaurant.
Awesome.
The bill requires cities and counties to hold an election if they want to raise property taxes by more than 3.5% from the previous year.
This is substantial property tax relief for the people of Texas, for homeowners, for businesses.
There's no need for his taxes to go up 44%. That's almost criminal, quite frankly. You're driving a person out of business.
It's going to be hard.
But not everyone is happy with this tax cap. Property taxes are the primary funding tool for emergency services. The Austin Firefighters Association worries this will put plans for 5 new fire stations in areas with slow response times in jeopardy.
Firefighters desire tax relief as much as anybody, but there is some real risk to the community with this bill. Their lives are more at risk, they have more risk of property damage, and this revenue cap will stop that program of building.
Under SB 2, the city of Austin could lose $53 million in funding over the next 3 years. Fire officials say they need voters to understand how important it will be to approve tax raises for public safety.
The more informed the citizens are, the more supportive they probably will be of public safety services. But the risk that they could vote no is a really hard outcome to accept.
Christian Flores, CBS Austin News.